To go into Savannah and Mariah's haunted house. Here we go. Door is closed.
Hello. Welcome to your dramatization.
The Scare If You Dare. Pop up.
Oh, what's the matter?
No thank you, I just
my
ate.
husband.
No thank you, I just ate.
Stay here, we'll knock when we're ready. We'll knock when they're ready.
You gonna come in, Savannah? You gonna come in, Savannah?
Yeah.
You gonna...
Keep the door open.
Alright, I guess she's not ready for us yet.
We're ready.
We're ready. I don't know if you guys are, but get ready.
Welcome to my lovely home. What the heck?
Kind of dark in here. What the... My goodness! Savannah, what do you have to say about this? What do you have to say about this?
That was crazy.